You too can have this amazing heart-shaped sushi if you order this kit. Don't these look amazing? Hey shoppers, today I am here with my friend Yin, and she is a professional sushi maker. She's not a professional, but she does this a lot and she knows how to utilize this sushi making kit that we got here on Amazon. This would be a great gift idea, don't you think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whether it's a party or like a Thanksgiving or Valentine dinner, it's great. And even for just kids making it together.
Oh, making it with your kids. That's a great idea because this kit makes it really easy to make things like heart-shaped sushi, spam musubi, and all these different things. So it comes with an assortment of different accessories. We're gonna go ahead and talk about each one. And my friend Yan here is gonna make us some spam musubi and some sushi rolls. So I just included a few clips of the ingredients that we used. We steamed rice, cut cucumber, avocado, used seaweed wraps, and you can see my friend Yen here scooping out the rice, filling these nice quality plastic sushi molds. She lined the mold with seaweed, filled it with rice, mayonnaise, cooked crab, avocado, cucumber, Thousand Island dressing, packed the top with rice again, wrapped the seaweed wrap over everything. And what's beautiful about this kit is it comes with the top part to smush it down very easily. This one is curved to make a heart. So the key to these is to make it packed tight. So you use water to seal the seaweed and this plastic mold to press down. And you can see how it curves in the top. So it's going to make us a perfect, adorable sushi heart. Once it's packed down nicely, there's little grooves. So it tells you exactly where to cut to make a perfect sized sushi roll. A few tips and tricks from the expert is you want a very sharp knife. So we sharpen this knife precisely so that you can just slide it right through. You do want to get it wet just a little so that way the seaweed wrap is a little bit soft. And you can see just we're slowly slicing through this. And here we go, every groove we sliced through. Look at how beautiful and perfect this looks. Now we're ready to dump it out onto the platter and present it. You can see us eating and enjoying.